Very good evening, friends. I'm Nalini Swami. Welcoming to my channel, Smart Index Edge. I'm showing you live why you should not trade this setup. Why you should not. This is the trend. You need to trade this setup. And I color coded these candles to Gann HiLo. When Gann HiLo turns magenta, the colors should become magenta color, like that, color coded. Here, if I go back this, when there was a downtrend and a pause. In this pause, little bit of up move. These are all traps. You can consider it as a trap. Okay. Let me put a rectangle over here. Array, I'm not picking up the tool. Yeah. Here, you can do this. You can put a rectangle and you can see. And the same pattern here, after the fall, the Gann HiLo turned magenta. We should not trade this actually. If you want to trade this, you should be very careful in this. Now, what did happen? All these sellers' stop loss was hunted, as well as buyer stop loss were hunted here. The market came down so quickly, same pattern, on and on it repeats. This is the manipulation. So wait for the manipulation to complete. And here, if you see, the range breakout has happened from here. So I've kept alert on the crude oil with my Nalini Precision Engine. It is giving the alert. If I click on this, again, same chart will be loaded. That becomes easy for you. See, let me do this. It is loading the same chart. So I have got an alert. Why did I keep the alert? Because it was the breakout level. You can see with the color coding itself, you need not draw anything. With the color coding itself, the color has flipped from this area. That is the reason I had kept the alert and market is coming down. It is a manipulation. With my Nalini Precision Engine, it automatically pivots, plots S1, S2 and the pivot. The pivot is 7,170. This is the pivot. Market has lost its pivot. That means when I am on the 15 minutes time frame, automatically it gives the pivot of 4 candles back. 4 candles back, hourly pivot, and now it is trading. This is the Lauren system. Lauren range, swing high and swing low. It has broken below the swing low. Then we need to anticipate the target 1.618, we can anticipate 7. I am putting the Fibonacci tool. 1.618 anticipation. So this is a sell actually. Now it may halt, it may go down. Let us go to our in Nifty, how you could have traded. Let me go to the Nifty. Okay. Let me take out the Nifty, this one. Put Nifty on the chart. Nifty is here. I'm going to put the Nifty on the chart. Okay. Now I am on the weekly chart. I'll remove the drawings. You can clearly see on weekly, it tried to move. It is a dozy formation. Week has not completed. On a daily window, you don't see any. This is the area from where the price has moved higher. This is a trendy structure. and it has made an clearly you can with the colors you can clearly see the market has made an high and it has engulfed. If I take the trend line here, it is a breakout. Sometimes what happens in the market, this trend line breakout, it may retest and it may go up. This is the range filter from the Lorentz system. From the Lorentz system, what you are seeing is the range breakout here. So market has broken above the range, but it is coming inside the range. This is the range. 23,072, 24,148 is the range. Now, market has come inside and it has formed. If there is a continuation tomorrow, on Monday, it may come down like this and it can fill the gap. There is a gap over here. Market may try to fill the gap, whether it will be in 1 day or in 2 days. With the candle colors and with the Nalini Precision Engine, it becomes very easy. It's very easy to identify the colors, and on an intraday basis, let me go to the intraday basis. So how you could have traded here. Intraday basis, this was the only area market around 12:30, 1:45. Let me change it to 5 minutes so that you will see big candles over here. You could have taken buy signal comes and you can keep alert on the buy signal, and finally around 3 p.m. it was just a huge blast. So visually you can take a trade with the help of the Nalini Precision Engine, as well as it gives you buy signal as well as the sell signal. So let us go to the call option. 23,900 call option. 23,900 call option. See, it came down so much of manipulation. It came down to 130 and then they closed around 146, 185. Oh my God. See the huge candle. This is the manipulation by the big money. And in the Lorentz system, I've coded for compression of the range. Whenever this yellow thing you are seeing, that is the compression. When compression comes in the swing high and swing low, there will be a release of compression. It happened to the downside and manipulation to the upside. Market came again and retested this level. You can see the call option and it has moved up. This is the beauty of the indicator. So indicator is very good. It gives you buy and sell alerts. Let us go back to the crude oil. Let us see what it's doing. It is going sideways. So you need not trade this. Let me take out. It has not come to the level. It will not come to the level at once. What it will do is it will go sideways and then it will take time. This is an imbalance. Imbalance will be balanced with since it is an imbalance, it needs another 3 to 4 candles of balance. That means 1 hour it may go sideways. Friends, it will go sideways. That is the thing that happens. And later, because it has swept the liquidity, we may see it may go sideways and then it may go upwards. Because they have taken the liquidity, only if they take the liquidity and go past this level, these big players will be profitable. Why I am saying this? Because when the Gann HiLo is presented in this way, better not to trade the color candles or the buy signals. So buy signals should be avoided when the market is going sideways. The Gann HiLo will be flipping between magenta to blue, blue to magenta. Then wait for the manipulation. This is the manipulation. After the manipulation, you can see so nicely market has moved. That manipulation happened yesterday, and the continuation of the move happened today. In the Asian session, during our, so we got an opportunity in the market. Now it is New York session. If you just put a line, or visually you can mark from where the thing has happened, it can come down. Even the S1, it is telling 7,021. So wait for the time. It will go sideways. No trade. You should not trade. Thank you very much, friends. Nalini Swami signing off. Before signing off, in the comment section, I'll leave AI bot link. You can click on that if you want to access it. It will answer your questions. And if you want to access it, it will direct me to my WhatsApp number, so that you can ask for the details of the pricing. If you want this indicator, you can WhatsApp me and message me. Thank you very much. Nalini Swami signing off.